Hello and welcome everyone. Today we'll be creating volume using artificial enhancement. There are so many artificial enhancements available to create different shapes. One of the most commonly available elements is a hair donut. Today I am going to show you how you can break it down and what is the correct way of using it. So I am taking an artificial donut and unwinding it in whatever wrapping pattern it comes with. Then how I like to use the artificial donut is once I have completely opened up the donut material, I generally divide it into 2 to 3 sections, equal parts. Now one important question is, why are we opening the donut ball? Well, if you use the donuts as it is, there's only one shape that you can use it for, the round shape. But once you are able to open that up, now you are the artist and you can now create any shape. Prolate, oblate, round, cylindrical, any kind of shape that you want in any part of the head, you are able to make this useful. So pretty much the versatility is what makes this a good choice. Now let's learn how to use donuts. First, let's discuss the wrong way, because sometimes you learn the right way better when you know the wrong way. So let's section the mannequin and assuming that we need volume in the back, in the center. That's where the desired volume is. So we will just go ahead, place the donuts on prepared hair, use bobby pins and secure the bobby pins around the hair we want to. We have not done anything, we just prepared the hair and now we are applying the donut on part of the hair we want to create volume. We are adjusting the shape of the donut in our desired shape. We are using the bobby pins correctly. There's nothing wrong. But as you will see that even when you will apply 10 bobby pins, it just comes out. It just does. So firstly, let's go ahead and section the hair. And even if now you're using donut and you don't want to backcomb, you still will have to backcomb so that the donut stays in place. So as you can see, we are slowly backcombing from the back. Wherever we want the donut to be placed, you need to backcomb that part of the hair around the roots especially, because that's where the pins will stay in the hair. Because if you've not backcombed and you are putting bobby pins in, the bobby pin just glides out. It needs some sort of a net structure for the bobby pin to stay on the head. So even if you're using artificial enhancements, you are still backcombing the hair. Backcombing is key element. And now that you have backcombed this area, you can backcomb more depending on how much you want. Wherever you are creating a volume, the surface area that you're using is the area that you'll be backcombing, especially on the roots. So I am taking horizontal sections, backcombing it, especially around the roots, all over wherever I want. And once I'll be done with that, then I'll apply my hair padding that I have made from opening up a donut ball, and I'll be then using it. you can use this unwinded donut ball in creating any shape that you found interesting. You can make oblate, prolate, round shape. You can wind it around ponytail to make a high ponytail. There is so many possibilities once you have opened up this donut piece of ball. I also would encourage you to create your own hair paddings that you can use artificial hair, synthetic hair that's really cheap from the market. Use your backcombing techniques and then use some hair nets or hair fibers and just make amazing hair paddings of any shape that you desire, especially shapes that are difficult to be achieved from donut balls, such as round shape, oblong shapes. You can really have them handy and you can use it on your clients. You can rent it out to them, or you can just take like a security deposit from your clients, and when they return you your hair paddings, you can reimburse them the security amount. So anything which works for you. Now, assuming that we are doing an up style on this girl, and that's an assumption, we are putting all the hair up, which is a natural hair, and then we are taking our hair padding, and suppose this is the shape that we desire, then we will create that shape from the artificial donut ball that we just unwinded, and now we are using bobby pins to secure it around the base where we have backcombed. Now since we have backcombed the hair, see how the donut is going to be snugly fitted to the scalp, and now it will not go anywhere. You can now proceed ahead with your desired hairstyle. This demonstration is basically to help you create different shapes from unwinded donut balls. You can now use unwinded donut balls to create any kind of shape you want, and now all you need to do is play around the hair and create your hairstyle. Practice this on live mannequin or on a model and create amazing shapes from these donuts, and send me a picture and upload it on our Facebook group. See you there.